This is a neighborhood with beautiful mansions that were built by some wealthy Germans at the end of 19th century. I wonder if Mr. Otto Keller, I think that was his name, the guy who owned the brewery Pearl, lived here. But so anyway, the houses are gorgeous. And I was told by a couple of people that houses around here go for about $1.5 and $2 million. Now if you look at the house across the street, I feel like it will be worth every penny. So apparently there are no tours offered in those houses. They're all basically privately owned. So I think there's something like 20 or 40 blocks of this neighborhood. Some are okay. I mean, probably any of them would be good here. Even that one. This has the gray one on the right side. Has like you can see new windows and things like this. This one in front of you on the right side is actually got really cool columns, lots of character. I feel like lots of those houses are haunted here. They have a little swing in the front, that looks really cool. I've only gotten like 3 hours of sleep, so I'm gonna walk around, record a few things, and from there go home and take a little nap. I mean, go back to the hotel and take a nap, since I have to be at work in something like 5 hours. But with that street, there are some beautiful houses. I don't like it, there's not enough shade on that street for me here. Anyway, so I have this brilliant plan. Right now it's probably too hot to go anywhere other than walk around here. So I'm gonna go to the grocery store and get something to eat. Go back to the hotel, take a nap. Then, oh my god, this white one on the right. Gorgeous. And then this one is gorgeous as well too. Yeah. So I just talked to this gentleman on the right. He's walking the dog. I said, hey, I heard the houses are out there going for like $1.5 million. Oh, 1.5 and 2. He's like, yeah, that's right. Oh, this one has it's actually a museum. Villa. I know, this white one here. Okay, so looks like right now it's 95 degrees. Yeah. It's really nice neighborhood. Even lots of surrounding streets are really cool. Some of the houses are not as impressive as this one here on the left. Yeah, it still looks pretty cool. The little garage far in the back. Those houses, they kind of make me think of, I mean, again, I've been to New Orleans only once in my life, but it made me think of like in South New Orleans or something, with those little, maybe South Carolina. And there's this house on the right, absolutely gorgeous too. So if I could guess, right below me should be a river. Yeah, this is a part of the river walk, looks like. And I tell you what, that river walk goes for miles and miles and miles. So I like King William's area, and I really like Pearl. This is more for like a more active person who likes to have like restaurants and kind of a live action. If you're just okay sitting at home, enjoying your backyard, King Williams. Okay, there's the back of the King Williams here. That's another part with their river walk. There's a bunch of little bridges, pedestrian bridges going over this river. I'm gonna have to research that more and how long is that river walk. That kind of looks like original bridge from the whatever 18th century or something, 19th century. Yeah, so this is like their inner park here.